Hey there, science fans! Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the wonders of the human body. Today, let's talk about something we all do every single day. Making pee. Yes, you heard that right. It's a natural and essential process that our bodies perform to keep us healthy. It might not be the most glamorous topic, but it's super important for keeping our bodies in tip-top shape. Imagine if our bodies couldn't get rid of waste. We'd be in big trouble. Our bodies are like incredible machines, constantly working to stay in peak condition. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, our bodies are hard at work. And just like any machine, our bodies produce waste that needs to be removed. Think of it like a factory that produces goods but also generates waste that must be managed. That's where our amazing excretory system swoops in to save the day. This system is our body's very own waste management team, ensuring everything runs smoothly. The excretory system is like a dedicated waste removal crew working 24/7 to filter out waste products from our blood and flush them out of our bodies. It's a non-stop job. This awesome system includes some key players: the kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra. Each of these organs has a specific role to play in the waste removal process. Together, they form a super efficient team that keeps our bodies clean and functioning at their best. The kidneys act as filters, the ureters transport urine, the bladder stores it, and the urethra is the final exit pathway. So buckle up as we take a journey through the excretory system and discover the fascinating process of how our bodies get rid of waste. From the moment blood enters the kidneys to the final exit of urine, it's a journey worth exploring. First stop on our journey, the kidneys. These bean-shaped organs are the superstars of the excretory system. Located near the middle of your back, the kidneys are like two busy filtration plants, working tirelessly to clean your blood. Imagine your blood as a flowing river carrying nutrients and oxygen to every cell in your body. As the river flows, it also picks up waste products along the way. The kidneys act as filters, removing these waste products from your blood so they don't build up and cause harm. It's like a giant water filtration system. But instead of cleaning water, your kidneys are cleaning your blood. How cool is that? Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of how urine is actually formed. As blood enters the kidneys, it flows through tiny filters called nephrons. These nephrons are like microscopic sieves, separating waste products, excess water and salts from the blood. The filtered waste products, now called urine, are collected in the kidneys. Meanwhile, the clean blood is sent back into circulation, ready to deliver nutrients and oxygen throughout your body. Think of it like making juice. You put fruit in a juicer, and the machine separates the juice from the pulp. The kidneys do something similar, separating the good stuff, clean blood, from the waste, urine. Once urine is formed in the kidneys, it needs a way to get to the bladder for storage. That's where the ureters come in. These narrow tubes connect each kidney to the bladder, acting like pipelines for urine. Urine doesn't just flow freely through the ureters, though. Special muscles in the ureter walls contract and relax, creating wave-like movements called peristalsis. These movements gently propel urine down towards the bladder. Imagine squeezing a tube of toothpaste. That's similar to how peristalsis works to move urine through the ureters. Section 5. The bladder holding tank. Extraordinaire. Next up is the bladder, a hollow, muscular organ that acts like a storage tank for urine. This organ is crucial in the urinary system, playing a vital role in the temporary storage of urine before it is excreted from the body. The bladder is located in the lower abdomen and is connected to the kidneys via the ureters. As urine flows in from the ureters, the bladder expands like a balloon to accommodate the increasing volume. This expansion is possible due to the bladder's elastic walls, which can stretch significantly. The bladder's ability to expand and contract is essential for its function as a storage organ. The bladder can hold a surprising amount of urine, up to about 2 cups. This capacity can vary from person to person, but on average it can store between 400 to 600 milliliters of urine. This storage capacity allows us to go several hours between bathroom breaks, but don't worry, you'll feel the urge to pee long before it gets that full. The sensation of needing to urinate is triggered when the bladder is about half full. This is due to the stretch receptors in the bladder wall that send signals to the brain, indicating that it's time to find a restroom. Think of the bladder as a reservoir that collects rainwater. Just like a reservoir collects and stores water until it reaches a certain level, the bladder collects and stores urine until it is ready to be expelled from the body. As the reservoir fills up, it sends a signal to release the water before it overflows. This is similar to how the bladder works. When it reaches a certain level of fullness, it sends signals to the brain to initiate the process of urination. Similarly, when your bladder reaches a certain level of fullness, it sends signals to your brain, letting you know it's time to go. This intricate communication between the bladder and the brain ensures that we maintain a balance and avoid any potential overflow, keeping our urinary system functioning smoothly. Section 6. The urethra exit route for liquid waste. Finally, we reach the last stop on our excretory adventure, the urethra. This small but crucial tube plays a vital role in our body's waste management system. This tube provides the exit route for urine to leave the body. It starts at the bladder and ends at the external urethral orifice, allowing urine to be expelled from the body. When you're ready to pee, the muscles in your bladder wall contract, squeezing urine out through the urethra. This process is controlled by both voluntary and involuntary muscles, ensuring that urine is expelled efficiently. The urethra is shorter in women than in men, which is why women are more prone to urinary tract infections. The shorter length means bacteria have a shorter distance to travel to reach the bladder, increasing the risk of infection. Think of the urethra as a hose connected to a water tank. Just like a hose allows water to flow from the tank to the outside, the urethra allows urine to flow from the bladder to the outside of the body. When you open the valve, water flows out of the tank and through the hose. Similarly, when the muscles controlling your urethra relax, urine flows out of your bladder and out of your body. Similarly, when you relax the muscles controlling your urethra, urine flows out of your bladder and out of your body. This process is a vital part of maintaining the body's fluid balance and ensuring that waste products are efficiently removed. Section 7. Keeping your excretory system happy. Our excretory system works incredibly hard to keep us healthy, so it's crucial to show it some love. One of the most important things you can do is drink plenty of water. Water helps flush out waste products and keeps everything running smoothly. Eating a balanced diet low in processed foods and salt also supports kidney health. Regular exercise is beneficial too, as it improves blood circulation and helps your kidneys function at their best. Remember, a healthy excretory system equals a happy, healthy you. Section 8. Fun facts. The excretory system in action. Ready for some amazing excretory facts? Did you know that your kidneys filter your entire blood volume about 40 times a day? That's like filtering a swimming pool full of blood every single day. And here's another fun fact. The average person produces about 1.5 liters of urine per day. That's enough to fill up a large bottle of soda. So the next time you take a bathroom break, remember the incredible journey your body takes to remove waste and keep you healthy. It's a fascinating process that we often take for granted.